Hello, my dear artists and crocheters. Welcome to another episode of our weekly series, Coloring with Carol, where I teach you simple and beautiful techniques to transform your coloring book, Crocheting with Carol, into true works of art. Every week, we color a different page together, learning effects, shading, lighting, and details that make your art even more magical. If you love crochet, creativity, and having that special moment just for yourself, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and come paint with me. Today, I'm going to show you a beautiful technique to color the Christmas dining room page from my book Crocheting with Carol Christmas Edition. We're going to create two effects that make the art even more magical: snow falling outside the window and a cozy illuminated nightfall effect. Before you start coloring, place a thicker sheet of paper behind the page in the book. This is essential to prevent the marker ink from bleeding through to the next drawing. It might leave marks on the back of the page you're coloring, and that's totally normal. But with the protective paper, you make sure no other page gets damaged. First, let's work on the background of the window using shades of blue, creating that smooth transition from late afternoon to night. To do this, make a mark on your window with a pencil, outlining the area where you want to create the snow effect. Then, I'll show you how to add small dots of light to simulate falling snow, and you'll see how this detail completely transforms the illustration. To create the snow effect, you'll need a white gel pen or a Posca pen. Draw the outline right at the top where it meets the sky, and then use a gray pen in 2 shades to add a bit of snow dirt at the top. It's a simple technique, but it gives a professional finish, making your page look livelier, deeper, and with that cozy Christmas atmosphere. If you have the book, grab your pencil and marker and come paint along with me. And if you don't have it yet, the link is here in the description. You'll find the book on Amazon in several countries and also on an exclusive platform in Brazil. Now come with me to color this wonderful page and create a magical Christmas scene.